Your safety matters. That's why WARE created Boiler University, a state-of-the-art campus where you get an immersive education from boiler industry professionals with years of first-hand experience. Take our 3-day Boiler 201 course and experience hands-on training in subjects like safety maintenance, feed water chemistry, efficiency operations, and much more. Because Boiler U is accredited through Western Kentucky University, this course is always up to date. Boiler University is a great choice for operators and maintenance pros and anyone involved with planning a boiler or boiler-related equipment purchase. Need a customized class specific to your facility? The pros at WARE's Boiler U can develop a training solution to meet your individual needs. Don't get burned. Safety and efficiency should be your top priorities, and attending Boiler University will help improve safety awareness and boiler room efficiency in just 3 days. So visit our website now and register online for an upcoming class on our brand new campus, located in our hometown of Louisville, Kentucky. Boiler University. Learn what you don't know.